For those juggling multiple computers with a single monitor, keyboard, and mouse, a KVM switch can be a real game changer. Today, we're looking at the Terived 2-port HDMI KVM switch, a device designed to streamline your workspace and simplify multitasking. This KVM switch allows you to connect two HDMI-equipped PCs and effortlessly switch between them using a single set of peripherals. The immediate benefit is a cleaner, more organized desk. No more cable clutter or the hassle of constantly swapping devices. The Terived KVM switch boasts a sturdy aluminum design, which not only provides durability, but also aids in heat dissipation. This is crucial for maintaining stable performance, especially when dealing with high-resolution video signals. Speaking of video, this switch supports a wide range of resolutions, from standard 480i all the way up to 8K at 60 Hz. It also handles refresh rates up to 144 Hz at 2K and 4K, catering to gamers and users who demand smooth, high-fidelity visuals. The switch is HDMI 2.0 compatible and supports RGB 4:4:4, HDR10, EDD, hot plugging, play, and HDCP. Compatibility is another strong point. The Terived KVM switch supports multiple platforms, including Windows 11 10.7, 2000 XP Vista, Linux, and Mac. This ensures that it will work with virtually any computer setup. The package includes all the necessary cables, which is a welcome addition. It also comes with a wired remote control for convenient switching between computers. The inclusion of a remote is a definite plus, allowing you to switch sources without having to reach for the switch itself. A clear digital display on the switch indicates the currently selected computer channel, which is a simple but effective feature. It eliminates any guesswork and makes it easy to identify which system you're currently controlling. The Terived KVM switch operates on 5 volts and uses a plug-in connector type. It is CE and FCC certified, ensuring that it meets safety and regulatory standards.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.